Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ronan Vico. In this video, we're going to learn how to install the CoE Starter Kit from Power Platform. The CoE Starter Kit is a set of applications and automations that helps you to have an overview about the data in the Power Platform, helps you to admin, gain insights into your Power Platform adoption, help you to govern with the audit tools, and also nurture all the power. In this video, I will help you to install quickly the CoE Starter Kit. So here on the docs, you can have everything that you need, but let's go directly to the main point here. First of all, you need to be the Power Platform admin or a global tenant admin. That's the first requirement. The second requirement, you need a Power Apps per user license and also a per user license of the Power Automate Cloud. Okay, both of them is required because you will run apps made on the model drive and using the Dataverse, and also you're going to run flows that fill the tables on the Dataverse also. So both of them are required. That's all you need. Okay, you do not need the Power BI Premium because you do not need to take a look on the BI online. You can download the BI reports and check on your own desktop. Okay, so basically what you need to be an admin, you need to have a Power Apps and an Automate Premium license. If you have all these three requirements, it's recommended that you create a new environment. And in this environment, you will need these connectors. So check if you can create an environment, and that's why the first one is required, because you need to be an admin so you can create environments, you can check data of all apps and all automate cloud flows and everything else on the Power Platform. Okay, so basically what I recommend you is to create two environments, one CoE development, one CoE production. But if you want to test, you can go directly to the CoE production. I think that you know how to create an environment, but go to the Power Platform Admin Center. On the environment at the manage, you can create new, select a name, so ABC, CoE, what do you want? Choose known as a group. Do not mark as manage an environment. You do not need that. The type, you can use the developer or the production one. You can choose between them, so you can select the production. Please add the Dataverse data store because all the solution runs with the Dataverse. You can click next, and here is really important, select the English language, and also do not select security group. So click known here. Okay, select known, down, and here's it. So use the known as security group. After that, you can save and wait until your environment is ready to go. In my case, I already have here this environment, the CoE test. Okay, this is my environment, and at this environment that you just created, you're going to the solutions and you're going to import a solution. But before that, to run the CoE, you need the creator kit. So first step, go to the open app source. You're going to find the creator kit here, creator kit. You're going to install the first one, the creator kit from Power Apps, get it now. Okay, click here, get it now. It's going to open the Power Platform for you, and after the redirect, you can click on install. You select your environment, of course, you just created, so select them, click install, and wait until the creator kit is installed and enabled on your environment. Okay, the first step was done. Now we will download the solution core of the CoE Starter Kit. You can click here. It will download a zip file, CoE Starter Kit. After saving it, you're going to have a zip file with a lot of solution and report. This might be confusing and confused me as well. So basically, what you need first of all is the Center of Excellence Core Components. This is the solution that you want to import first. So get this one, extract from the zip file, And this is a solution that, so this is a zip file also, okay? Now you can go to the solutions, import solution, select this solution that we just extracted and click next. You will be asked to connect to all those connections. It will be connected automatically, but this one right here, the HTTP with Azure AD, you need to add a new connection and just type this right here, https://graph.microsoft.com. You will insert this on both of these fields right here and click on sign in. Okay, so just click sign in. It will connect with your Entra ID and you can move forward. Here you will have a lot of environments variable that you can fill now, but you do not need, because we can change that later in the apps that will be imported. What I do recommend you is to fill just one environment right here called admin. Here is it, the admin email right here. So this environment variable, admin email, you can fill right now, but it's not required, okay? After you fill this one, you can click import and move forward. You do not need to change anything else. After that, you will need to wait like 30 minutes or so until the solution is imported, okay? After the solution is imported successfully, you will have this solution right here, the Center of Excellence Core Components. You're going to click on the solution, go to the apps, and you will open the CoE Setup and Upgrade wizard. You're going to hit the play button. With this setup open, you can confirm the prerequisites, click next, and here you're going to configure a group for admin, for maker, and user. You do not need to have that as required, but fill with a group because can cause errors in the future if you leave it blank. It happens to me. So create a new simple group with you, just you, and select as an admin, a maker, and user, and you can change that later, in my opinion. Okay, each one of these groups have different access to the applications right here on the CoE Starter Kit. You can click next and it will be fulfilled, but you need to change the individual admin right here. So fill with your email, click next. Here you're going to click next again. Here you're going to click refresh until all the flows is showing here and all the flows is finished. Okay, after that you can click next. Here will show some inventory flows that you need to click to enable. This is really important. The inventory flows is the flows that fill the Dataverse tables. So after all inventory flows have been turned on, that means that the tables on the Dataverse will be filled and will show data on the apps. Okay, so the inventory flows is really important here. You need to make sure that all of them is being turned on. And after this one is ready, it's finished, because now inventory flows is on. They will run and fill the Dataverse. Now you can go to the Power Platform admin view. For example, you can open other ones here and explore a little bit more, but the Power Platform admin view here will show you all the data about the environments. But I know you are watching the video, you open your app, right? And it is blank. Why is blank? I'm going to tell you. Because, as I said, the inventory flow will run and fill the table. And we have a specifically cloud flow. All of this inventory flow will have the sync on their name. So all of them will run and fill the Dataverse table. But one in specifically, okay, the admin, this flow right here, the admin sync template v4, the driver, sorry, the driver one, I selected the wrong one, the driver. This flow have a delay on the flow that can goes between an hour to 5 hours and to 6 hours. I don't remember exactly here the delay inventory, as you can see right here. Okay, 1 to 300 minutes. And this flow is really important. And after the delay runs and the data will be filled and other flows will be started, and after these flows finished, the data will be available for the apps right here. So you need to wait until these flows finish. So take a time, go take a coffee and wait some hours and go back and watch your data on the Power Platform dashboard and take your actions. You can check other tools on the CoE Starter Kit. You can import other solutions that you downloaded on the start of this video. But the main reason that I create this video right here, that I am recording that, is because take some steps to have the CoE Starter Kit ready to go, as you see. So hope you guys enjoy it. Please hit the thumbs up, share the channel so we can grow up. You can become a member of the channel to help us. You can check the links on the descriptions where I am affiliate and help me also. And if you watched this video completed to the end, write down your feedback and also the word strawberry so I will know that you watched it to the end. Okay, thank you so much for watching. We see you in another video, in another class, and please consider to subscribe.